Jackie Bam Bam, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right.
Yeah, there's a little delay, but I'm here. Take a look at this guy. Can you see him?
By the way,
Friday the 13th. Hi, Michael. Whoa.
It's Halloween, and it's Michael Myers.
And then we have a chain-wielding maniac from the Bates Motel, and actually two of them. One of them has a scarecrow mask on. Another one has just a psychotic-looking face. So, Jackie, they look like they're ready to go, man.
Can you smell the gasoline from here? I'm ready to play with some dangerous toys. I'm ready.
He's so into this.
Jackie?
We're going into the house right now.
Okay.
Damn
Now,
it.
we heard that our birthday boy might
Oh, there it is.
Birthday boy might be awake, so we have to go with a different tactic.
Okay.
Oh, no. Okay. Okay, you guys ready, Jackie?
Here we go.
All right.
On three.
Go ahead.
Okay? Everybody ready. 1, 2, 3.
There's nobody in there. There's nobody in the bedroom. There's no one in the bedroom. Are they in the wrong room?
Where did he go? How did he work on it?
Wait.
He was supposed to be here. We had scouts.
Don't drop the F-bomb, please.
There's nobody in the bedroom.
Amazing.
There's absolutely no one in the bedroom.
Go to the bathroom. I think he's taking a piss.
His bed is made.
Let's go in the bathroom. He might be.
Yeah, he'll never see you coming.
Yeah. Oh, my.
I don't think his bed is made. He didn't sleep in that bed last
I
night.
don't even think he's there.
No, he's not.
Look at how confused everyone looks.
Where's our boy at?
I feel bad for the guy.
Preston wants to say hello to you.
Oh, here, hang on. I'll bring up the phone line. Hi.
I am utterly disappointed.
Is this Jimmy?
I don't know how this happened. I'm like shaking here because I'm so angry.
This has never happened before. I can't. Well, we've done enough of these. Eventually, it was
gonna
bound to happen.
happen.
I think it's great.
Well, you know
It's
what?
just
I
typical.
say he doesn't get his chainsaw.
I'm wondering about that too.
Yeah.
You know,
I think they're starting up the chainsaws again, guys.
there's no need to start up the chainsaws again right now. Is there?
No.
Yeah.
I think we can just move on to the next one.
Wow.
Next cemetery, away we go.
That's fake.
He's fake?
Yeah.
You sure?
That's like
Michael, be careful, Michael. Happy Halloween. I'm here.
Are you ready?
All right, let's go. Okay. There's a deer head. There's some saws. Oh, this guy's really into horror movies. Now, let's get everybody upstairs.
Up the stairs again.
It's a tight staircase.
Yeah, it is.
There's Jackie's ass crack.
Jackie's ass crack.
Yeah.
Tight like the crack of my ass.
Okay, we're gonna go on 3.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Yeah. We're ready.
Ready?
I'm always.
We're gonna go on 3. Hold on. 1, 2, 3.
Start him. She completely covered herself up.
Chainsaw wake up.
I see that.
Somebody got you.
God damn it, Joe.
God damn it, Joe.
Is that Curry?
Hi.
Hi, Curry.
Good morning.
Carrie?
Yes.
Carrie, say hello to Preston and Steve.
Hi.
Hey, Curry. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
She can't hear with the chainsaw.
Hey, Curry. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, yeah, this is courtesy
Is that
of
my fire
Steve.
alarm?
He wanted, I think. Yeah. Oh my God, that's right. They have gasoline operated devices. It's probably setting off your. It's okay. There's no real fire. Just gas fumes. You'll be okay.
Hey, Kathy's asking if she has clothes on. Do you have clothes on? Are you? There you go.
Hi, honey.
Curry, do you have clothes on?
No, I don't.
Well, that ought to teach you.
Hi.
Seriously, we have a whole a ton of people in my
A whole lot of people.
Try not to drop any curse words. We're live on the radio right now.
Well, not now, dick face.
Our boyfriend just took the battery out of the fire alarm. here.
Okay.
Very good.
Remember to replace it.
Yes.
It was, that was
nice. The room's a mess.
That would have ruined it.
If I cleaned up the mess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So apparently you're a big.
She's half naked. The other roommate just
Not
came
half.
downstairs. Hi, y'all.
Not half.
Love
She's
y'all.
fully naked.
Say hi to Preston and Steve.
Okay. I gotta bring the audio down because they're cursing way too much.
she's the unhappy roommate.
She looks like the unhappy roommate. So listen, Curry, this was courtesy of Steve. He says that you guys, both you and Colleen, are big horror fans. So we thought this would be a fun way to get you up on Halloween morning. Do you agree?
Yeah. Now that the shock's worn off, yeah, this is pretty funny.
All right, cool. And to fellow horror fans, have a great day today and put some clothes on.